Ramsey. Ramsey, why are you so messy? This is from you. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be cleaning the car mats. So obviously this is pre-dog, this is after dog. Rams, you gotta move. Move. Move off. Thank you. So I got a couple cool little tools and we're just gonna test it out. So I'm just gonna keep these all in the same order. So this is passenger side, driver, back left behind the driver, back right. Obviously this was Ramsey's favorite area. All right, let's get started. Okay, so first I got this little Lilly brush off of Amazon. Actually, I think I got it off Walmart. So we're just gonna scrape this first. So that is one pass. All right, let's do the next one. All right, again, one pass through. That's pretty awesome. And let's do the next one. No, what are you doing? Rams, I'm trying to clean. Again, one pass. All right, Rams, you gotta move. Look at this dog. What are you gonna do with him? Rams, you gotta move. I'm cleaning stuff from you. Oh my goodness. There's the culprit himself. Okay, so again, there is just the pass. I have not vacuumed anything. I pulled these straight out of the car with the Lilly brush. So obviously you can see the most satisfying one is definitely that one, Ramsey's chair. So now I'm just gonna grab a vacuum and vacuum the bottom row up and actually vacuum the whole thing and then do one more pass over with the Lilly brush. Okay, so I've officially done 2 pass-throughs of the Lilly brush. Now I'm going to drench them in water, and then I'll put some carpet cleaner on them, and then we'll buff them together, and then we're going to use my not my simple green, that's a freaking cleaner, my BISSELL Little Green, and carpet clean them. Now I'm just going to be putting some Folex on them, and then I'm also going to be using this interior multi-purpose stuff because it has a good head on it for car cleaning. So yeah. Okay, so now that all of them are drenched with the liquid carpet cleaner, I'm just gonna go grab my BISSELL Mini Green. Alright, here is my BISSELL Little Green. If you haven't seen my latest video of cleaning the carpet, you should definitely watch that. I'll link it up above. But yes, here is that, and now we will start the carpets. Look how much water just came out, and it's all black. Heroes. So I have laid them all out to dry, just on a couple of my chairs and stuff like that, because we're in a damn heat wave. So these will definitely be dry by the morning time and go in my car. But I still haven't even done my car yet, so I gotta do that tomorrow before I put those in. So, all right, so this is the next day. They're all in the same order. And yeah, super happy with the results. And now I just gotta put them in the car.